Greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's quickly learn this wonderful style together. Very easy, very simple, and you're good and good to go. So just bring out your Caro fabric. As you can see what I'm having there on my hand. Your Seiko can do it if it's wide enough. Your Asheki fabric can also do it if it's wide enough. Alright, you can see I have 2 years of Akara fabric here, and the wrong side is very outstanding, so I'm going to fold it into two. Pay close attention to what I'm doing here. 1 yard of Akara can give it to you if the wrong side is not outstanding, but if the wrong side is very outstanding the way this one is, just fold it into two. Okay, you can use 1 yard for it for this. Okay, so fold it the way I did now. Watch closely what I'm going to do next. So taking it to the back this way, you bring the two edges. It's very easy, very simple, but elegant. It's always easy but to cover elegant. Yes, so you knot it this way just once, knot it, then holding that two flap now I'm holding together, you're going to bring all those excesses from the back, bring it to the front. Just bring it to the front, and then you use that remaining knot now. You see it, you use that remaining knot now and hold it together. Tie it very well. This particular head wrap, no pin, no rubber band, so you are good to go and you will look elegantly beautiful. So knot it now the way I did now. Make sure the knot is very firm. All right, so flip this one to the back and then raise it up. If you want it very high you can raise it like this. You get it, but then we just want to do just a moderate height, just very small height. All right, so you're going to bring it up this way. Just stretch it out. Remember, you knot it. Just stretch it out this way, and you take it by the side, from the side. Watch closely what I am doing. Don't tell me you cannot do this one. This one is very easy, very simple. So just raise it from the back this way like this, so that you have the two edges. You see it now. If it's not long enough, you use pin and hold it, but this one is long enough. So watch what I'm doing here. I did not actually knot it. I cross it and then tuck it in. If you want to knot it, you can go ahead and knot it. That just tuck it in there. All right, so cross the other side too and then tuck it in. So we are done tying. What is left now is for us to arrange the head wrap, and we are good to go. Good to go. All right, so if this is the first time you're coming across my video, my channel, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Gile Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Do well to drop your like and your comment, and don't forget to press that subscription button to follow me on YouTube. We have a lot to learn. Follow me also on my Facebook page. We have a lot to learn. All right, so you can see now. Just arrange it. That is the only thing that is left now. All right, so please, as I said before, don't forget to share my videos to your family and friends. If actually you're benefiting, if actually you're learning, please do not allow the learning to stop where you are. Share my videos for others to also benefit and learn. You can see how beautiful the back is, elegantly standing. You can see it, beautiful, ready to rock the party. You can see, yeah. So if you don't mind, you can go ahead and decorate it further with your hair accessories. It's optional, but I like using it. It gives your head wrap this yes, it's come out neatly. All right, so decorate it further with your hair accessories and it will look like auto igele, but it is not auto. This is manual igele. So all right, so that is it. Keep moving. I thank you so much, all my new and old subscribers. I wish you well, and I hope to see you in my next video. You are too much. You're too much. I appreciate it so much. Thanks for watching. Until I see you next video.